Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, so we're at the Briarly in Houston, Texas. We're about to go in their one bedroom model. So let's walk in and see it. I can't wait to show it off to you. Super pretty, wow. Beautiful apartment. It's got some really cool colors. It's fun. It's almost kind of like, it feels like a lodge, like a ski lodge. It's really cool. It's got this kind of tannish gray cabinets, really pretty quartz countertops. Love this backsplash. It's kind of a translucent glass. Super pretty Whirlpool fridge. All the appliances you need are here. I also like this this essentially an islandish. And man, you've got chairs here. There's two, but you could probably fit like 3 or 4 of those chairs. So you really don't even need a table. You've also got this great area that's over here. This is really pretty. It's got good space to kind of chill, to have that couch, chair, and then a TV. So you've also got a really cool flooring in here, by the way. The floor is this really light, really nice luxury vinyl. It's pretty. And then also, hey, you got a great patio out here. Let's take a look at that patio. So, wow, really cool. So I'm outside. Hey, it's got a yard and it's got a big fence. This would be perfect for pets. So pet-friendly yard. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is just great. It's, you know what's really interesting is I really rarely see it where it's got this kind of fence like this. This is pretty cool. So to have that makes it even really cooler. So love that a lot. So this is part 1 of the tour. We're now going to do part 2, and we're going to go in the bedroom and bath. If you have any questions about anything you're seeing, or you're ready to set up a virtual or a live tour, send me a text. That's free, and I'd like to help you with that.